What's going on, travel fans? It's Ron from RJT Travels, your go-to for all things travel. I appreciate you checking out today's video. It is going to be a room tour of the Junior Suite Tropical View. So take a look at the room here. These rooms are going to be an upper floor room. They are going to be on the back half of the building, so they're going to look at the tropical view side instead of looking at the pool or ocean side. And they're going to be your most basic entry-level room here at Secrets Punta Cana. It is not a preferred level room, so it does not come with a butler or any of the preferred club access. If you have questions on that, check out our preferred club video. But this is going to be your basic entry-level room for Secrets Punta Cana. If you have any questions about anything, remember, RJT Travels is a fully certified Hyatt Inclusive brand company. So we can sell any of the Hyatt Inclusive brands, including Secrets. So we can definitely help you out. Obviously, we were just on property ourselves. I filmed these room tours myself. So if any questions you have, I have firsthand answers. And if you have any questions, hit us up, rjttravels.com. Give us a call on our main site. And if you like this video, definitely check out the rest of our channel. I have a ton of different content on Secrets Royal Beach, Punta Cana, as well as various sandals resorts and all kinds of different travel tips. So check out the resort. Make sure you're subscribed, and I hope you enjoy the video. Until next time, guys, thanks and happy travels.